Okay, one last thing. Like I said, we did complete the air filter install, and there is a sensor, air quality sensor. I believe this is it right here. So say you did mess up, say something's wrong here, that it didn't seat perfectly. That sensor would tell you that the air is dirty coming into the manifold, and you would have a light come on your gauge here, on your instrument cluster. And we've got a 2016 vehicle here. I'm going to show you something. With 12,854 miles on it. I just wanted to show you that. It's extremely low mileage. That's because I had a Ford F-150 Raptor, and this was just pretty much used for local driving. You know, my favorite trail was going from here to the grocery store. But you know, certainly we did some 4x4ing here in the valley, but anytime we did a long trip, we would take the Ford F-150 Raptor. That's why they're so, I've got, what, 12,000 miles on this vehicle, and it's a 2016. I've had it for 4 years. I bought it in 17, brand new. It was the January of 17, so they were looking to, you know, sell it. So I put a pretty good offer on the table, and they took it. Pretty much turnkey, the way it is, the way you see it. Of course, I did add a few things, but you know, nothing major. The Jeep pretty much came just the way it is, and that's the way I wanted it. I didn't want to have to work on it and do stuff to it. But anyways, just had to put in a new battery here recently, and now the new air box, new cab filter. So we're gonna get the oil changed. I may do it myself, or I may bring it into the dealer. I still got to go get the oil for it. But that's pretty easy to do. I was just going to show you the oil filter, but I can't see it right now. So anyways, we're going to move on from this project.